you know, just keep doing positive things. Did it? How long was that up? Okay. So as you see, so it's great things. Love to meet you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Like you say, you guys out of this area or Los Angeles?
Yeah, we're out of Congress.
Okay, cool.
This is what got us on the market.
Okay.
This is what brought us to success.
Okay.
Our kettle corn. So just came out. Nice and fresh. I'm gonna bless that.
Appreciate you. We'll do a full product review for you. Put on the YouTube, tag you guys in, all that stuff. You guys have a YouTube channel?
We don't have a YouTube channel.
But you guys have Instagram, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'll send you guys some messages through Instagram so you guys be able to check out the video.
Okay, appreciate it.
So yeah, as you see, you know, positive stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? When you believe in your product, that's what I always believe, you'll be able to show people that you believe in it. So them putting their you know, them taking care of that with their product shows that they believe in it. So you always want to believe in what you're doing with your product, and you know, stand by it. Stand by what you're doing, what you believe in. It's always worth it in the long run. We'll go ahead and get him a card. There we go. Johnny on the spot.
He's starting to kick up.
Man, cat life.
That's all right.
Good. Here we go.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Yeah, that's a company right there. Yeah. So keep doing what you're doing. We'd love to see you at more events. Like I say, we're gonna follow your page and stay tapped in with you guys.
Appreciate it.
All right. Stay safe. Stay blessed.
Yep. No doubt. Be safe, man.
Appreciate you guys. All right. So as we see Michael. All right. Blessed company. I see back up. We want to get the whole thing. All right. Full family business though. They have people work for them. They have a beautiful trailer. This is exactly how you want to do your business. All right. This is how you want to do it. So as you see, go ahead. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The champion's playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.